baboon. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fox. G for goat. H for horse. I for impala. J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nightingale. O for ostrich. P for panda. Q for quokka. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for tortoise. U for umbrella bird. V for vulture. W for walrus. X for etc. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Let's learn ABC with fruits and vegetable names. A for apple. B for banana. C for carrot. D for dragon fruit. E for eggplant. F for fig. G for grapes. H for honeydew melon. I for iceberg lettuce. J for jackfruit. K for kiwi. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nectarine. O for orange. P for pineapple. Q for quince. R for radish. S for strawberry. T for tomato. Q for jubilee. V for Victoria plum. W for watermelon. No fruit or vegetable with letter X. Y for yuzu. Z for zucchini. Thanks for watching.